Hey there, let's dive into the 10 best smoothies for summer sunny weather. Welcome to Healthy Lifestyle channel. As we proceed, kindly subscribe, like and comment. Alright, first up, we've got the watermelon mint smoothie. For this one, you'll need 2 cups of chopped watermelon. Make sure it's seedless, a few fresh mint leaves, 1 tablespoon of lime juice, and some ice cubes. Just blend everything until it's nice and smooth and serve it chilled. The high water content keeps you hydrated, and the mint not only soothes digestion but also gives a cooling effect. This smoothie is especially great for those hot walks because of its super refreshing nature. Next, let's talk about the mango coconut smoothie. You'll need 1 ripe mango chopped up, half a cup of coconut milk, and some ice cubes. Blend the mango and coconut milk with ice until it's creamy. Coconut milk gives you electrolytes, and mango is packed with vitamin A and beta carotene, which actually helps protect your skin from the sun. Pretty awesome, right? Okay, so number 3 is the strawberry banana smoothie. For this one, you'll need 1 banana, 1 cup of strawberries, 1 cup of Greek yogurt, and half a cup of almond milk. Just blend all the ingredients until smooth. The high potassium content helps prevent cramps while walking, and the Greek yogurt adds protein plus those gut-friendly probiotics. Next up, number 4 is the cucumber kiwi cooler. Grab 1 cucumber, 2 kiwis, half a cup of coconut water, and some mint leaves. Peel everything and blend it together. Then just add some ice to chill it. Cucumber and coconut water are super hydrating, and kiwi is loaded with vitamin C, which gives your immune system a boost after being out in the sun. And finally, number 5 is the pineapple turmeric smoothie. You'll need 1 cup of pineapple chunks, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, half a banana, and half a cup of coconut water. Blend all the ingredients well, and you can add honey if you want it sweeter. This smoothie is anti-inflammatory, so it helps with sun-induced inflammation. Plus, pineapple supports digestion and helps reduce fatigue. Okay, so next up is the cherry almond smoothie. For this one, you'll need 1 cup of cherries pitted, 1 tablespoon of almond butter, and 1 cup of almond milk, plus some ice. Just blend everything together until it's smooth and creamy. Cherries actually contain melatonin, which can help your body recover after a long day in the sun. And almonds, they give you a boost of vitamin E for extra skin protection. Now, let's talk about the banana coffee protein smoothie. You'll need 1 banana, 1 cup of chilled brewed coffee, 1 scoop of vanilla protein powder, and a few ice cubes. Blend it all up until it's super creamy. This smoothie is awesome for boosting your energy, especially if you're heading out for a summer walk. Plus, coffee has antioxidants which act as a mild natural sunscreen. Pretty cool, right? And finally, we've got the peach green tea smoothie. You just need 1 sliced peach, 1 cup of cooled green tea, 1 teaspoon of honey, and some ice cubes. Blend the peach and tea with the ice and honey. Green tea is great because it helps fight free radicals from sun exposure, and peaches are loaded with vitamin C and fiber, super refreshing and good for you. Alright, let's talk about the spinach pineapple smoothie. Here's what you'll need: 1 cup of fresh spinach, half a cup of pineapple, half a banana, and 1 cup of coconut water. Just blend everything together until it's all green and smooth. Spinach gives you folate and magnesium, while pineapple not only balances the flavor but also helps with digestion after a walk. Super refreshing. Okay, so let's talk about the blueberry chia smoothie. You'll need 1 cup of blueberries, 1 tablespoon of chia seeds that have been soaked, and 1 cup of oat milk. Just blend all the ingredients thoroughly and you're good to go. Chia seeds are awesome because they retain water, which really helps with hydration. And blueberries, they actually protect your skin against oxidative stress from UV rays. Pretty cool, right? So why do these smoothies work so well in summer? Well, first, they have a high water content, which helps prevent dehydration. They're packed with electrolytes, which replace salts lost through sweat. Plus, the antioxidants protect your skin from sun damage. You also get vitamins A, C, and E, which support your skin and boost your immunity. And hey, the natural sugars in them give you an energy boost without any of those annoying crashes. Oh, and here are a few bonus tips for your summer smoothies. Always use chilled ingredients or toss in some ice. Try adding herbs like mint or basil for that extra refreshing kick. Coconut water makes an excellent base if you want more hydration. And if you pre-freeze your fruits, you'll get a creamier texture without needing to add ice. Super easy, right? Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this, please subscribe, like, and leave a comment. See you next time.